This is session 11 of the Sheltered Instruction Training. In this session, we'll learn and discuss the sixth component of SIOP.
Provide multiple opportunities to practice with the hands-on materials. This helps students connect those. Quadrant D moves back down to cognitively demanding and also with few clues.
In this session, we're going to learn about the art of body language.
Non-verbal communication can be an important part of holding the attention of pupils during a lesson. That's according to body language expert Chris.
This is session 13 of the Sheltered Instruction Training. In this session, we're going to learn about and discuss the seventh component of SIOP, lesson delivery. We're going to watch a video on lesson delivery.
What is the correlation between learning retention rates and the levels of student engagement? Which takes us to pacing. Pacing refers to the rate at which information is presented.
In this session, we're going to learn about and discuss the eighth component of SIOP, review and assessment. We're going to watch a video on the first part.
They target why, how, or support, justify, give examples. By probing the student to assessment is the gathering and synthesizing of the information concerning students' learning. We then adjust our instructional plan.
Welcome to session 15 of the Sheltered Instruction Training. In this session, we'll be looking at different activities for review and assessment. There are response boards. Each student, pair, or group gets a response board to write out a response. Wrong answers are explained by the teacher. Self-assessment rubrics. Provide students with self-assessment rubrics using smiley faces, question marks, sad faces, or